Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Irish corned beef. It's a true classic, especially around St. Patrick's Day, but it's delicious any time of year. Don't be intimidated. Making tender, flavorful corned beef is actually quite simple. We'll walk through everything you need to know, from selecting your cut to serving it perfectly. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic, hearty meal. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a corned beef brisket, which usually comes with its own little spice packet. Don't forget your vegetables too. Whole carrots, medium potatoes, and a head of green cabbage are perfect choices. Before you do anything else, be sure to give your corned beef a good rinse under cold water. This helps remove excess salt from the curing process, ensuring a balanced flavor in your final dish. Now for the main event, cooking the beef. Place your rinsed corned beef brisket, fat side up, into a large, sturdy pot. Add in that included spice packet, then fill the pot with enough cold water to completely cover the meat. Bring everything to a rolling boil over high heat. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to a low simmer, cover the pot, and let it cook for about 3 hours. This slow simmer is key to tender, juicy results. After your corned beef has simmered for about 3 hours, it's time to add the vegetables. Pop in your whole carrots and potatoes. They'll cook alongside the beef, soaking up all those wonderful flavors. For the cabbage, add it during the final 20 minutes of cooking. Once everything is perfectly cooked, remove the corned beef from the pot and let it rest for a good 15 minutes before slicing. This resting period is crucial for incredibly juicy results. Now comes the best part, serving and enjoying your delicious creation. Remember to slice your corned beef against the grain. This ensures every bite is wonderfully tender. Arrange the sliced beef on a platter with the cooked carrots, potatoes, and cabbage. It's a complete, hearty meal that's sure to please everyone. Any leftovers are fantastic for sandwiches the next day or even a savory corned beef hash. Enjoy your homemade Irish feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.